So a question I get all the time, Zach, which DeFi wallet should I use? And the two that come up the most are Trust Wallet versus Metamask. Now, first and foremost, I use Metamask. That's not to say that it's better than Trust Wallet. In fact, in this video, we're going to talk about the pros and cons of both Trust Wallet and Metamask. I just use Metamask because it's the first one I started to use, and I got used to it, and I like it, right? Because once you know how to use something, you guys know how it goes. That's just what you use, right? And if you have to change, we don't like that, right? Because we got used to this, and this is how we like to do it. Now, these are probably the top two out there for a lot of people. It does depend a little bit on where you are geographically, but I would say across the board, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and probably Coinbase Wallet here in the United States, all three of these are very, very well known and very much used by many people, even outside the United States. So which one is better than the other? We're really not going to dive into that particular. I'm just going to kind of break down what's good and bad about them, what are some differences, and really there's not a lot of bad things about these two because they have a lot of similarities and a lot of commonalities that we're also going to talk about in this video. So appreciate you guys so much, and hopefully this video helps as you get started on your crypto journey, or you're maybe just looking to switch over to a different wallet, or maybe get into DeFi for the first time. So Trust Wallet is best for users who are searching for a simple-to-use wallet that supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and dozens of other networks, whereas MetaMask supports Ethereum and EVM-compatible chains only, but has some advanced customization options that Trust Wallet lacks. And we're going to dive into some of those specifics. Again, both of these are very popular wallets that allow users to store and manage their digital assets. You also own your keys, right? We always talk about not your keys, not your crypto. When you have your crypto in either one of these wallets, it's actually your crypto. See, when you have your crypto in a centralized exchange, you don't really own that crypto. Somebody is lending it to you. So that's why I always say when I have crypto on Coinbase, it is meant to be cashed out to fiat. I don't hold my crypto there. I hold my crypto where I have custody of it. And for me, that is in my MetaMask. Now, we're going to compare Trust Wallet and MetaMask a little bit deeper here in terms of their features, supported network, security, and user experiences. We've obviously heard of both of these if you've been around the space. Now, Trust Wallet versus MetaMask, a side-by-side comparison. So wallet type, they're both the same. They're both hot wallet, non-custodial wallets. In terms of supported browsers, Trust Wallet and MetaMask all use the same, except MetaMask also allows you to use Firefox in addition to Chrome, Brave, Edge, and Opera. Now, how about for the mobile app? Yes, they're both good for Android and iOS, so that's good. For security, they both use a 12 secret phrase setup where they're going to give you 12 words. Never share these words with anybody. And in my opinion, do not have these 12 words anywhere on a computer, anywhere stored in a Google Drive. No digital footprint whatsoever. What I personally did here is I wrote these words down on several different pieces of paper, and I have those pieces of paper in different locations, and that is how I go about it. If something happens to that one piece of paper, hopefully it doesn't get in the hands of somebody who knows what the heck it is, but I'll have another piece of paper somewhere else with it as backup. Now, staking support. Yes, there is staking support on both of these. Supported assets. So for Trust Wallet, assets across Bitcoin and 50 plus other chains. For MetaMask, it's coins and tokens on EVM-compatible chains or Ethereum EVM-compatible networks. So a little bit more support over different blockchains on Trust Wallet. If you're somebody heavy into trading on different networks, Trust Wallet might be a better option for you opposed to MetaMask. For me, I do a lot of my trading on the Ethereum network, so MetaMask works for me. Now, Trust Wallet is a hot wallet browser extension and mobile app that supports over 53 blockchain networks, more than 9 million digital assets, including the top names like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Trust Wallet has a native token, which makes it a little bit different than MetaMask as well, and it's called the TWT, or Trust Wallet Token, that acts as a governance token. By the way, Trust Wallet is owned by the largest crypto exchange out there, Binance. Now, Metamask is a browser extension and mobile app that supports the Ethereum blockchain and associated tokens such as ERC20 and ERC721. Users can also connect to other Ethereum virtual machine compatible networks such as BNB, which I have connected there, Polygon, Arbitrum. I have all of these networks connected there. Metamask also allows users to send and receive transactions and use dApps through the web browser or the mobile app. Metamask also has features such as swapping, has a hardware wallet integration, and custom RPC support. So both of these are great for onboarding fiat as well via third-party payment processors, allowing users to buy crypto with their local currency right from their wallets. So both of these make this super easy. They both have mobile wallet apps. This is very important because a lot of people around the globe, they don't have access to a desktop computer. They access the internet through their phone, right? So they have very easy to use apps in that way as well. And then if we scroll on down here, the bottom line is this. Both Metamask and Trust Wallet are great crypto wallet products. They're both great options. There's a reason why they're some of the most widely used. Trust Wallet offers a little bit more diversity in supported networks, while Metamask is limited to Ethereum and other EVM networks. Trust Wallet has a mobile-only app, and Metamask has a browser extension and mobile app. Also, for Metamask on your desktop, I use a little widget up at the top. You can actually see it on my screen if I scroll this down. There it is right there. See it up here? Right there. That's the Metamask widget right there. You can actually pull that down. And you could see that there it is right there. It pops up. You can actually put your password right in there. So that's kind of nice. So those are the main differences. Trust Wallet also has more features such as staking, a little bit more in terms of NFT options and support and fiat gateway, while Metamask has fewer features but more customization options for you if you're somebody who likes to do it that way. So hopefully this video helps you out and put you on the right direction. But all in all, Trust Wallet and Metamask, both two great wallets to use, both great ways to take matters into your own hands and truly own your own crypto assets. Appreciate you guys as always. If you got some value, let me know down below. If you're new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe. We do tutorial videos like this, but we also bring you up to speed on all the news and information on a day-to-day basis right here as well. See ya. Bye.